Maybe you've tried to start exercising, or maybe you tried to stop overeating, but it's too hard for whatever reasons. It just seems you can't maintain it. You just go back to the old behavior. But what if I told you that it's just a matter of making it automatic, the same way you brush your teeth automatically? And what if I told you you could even enjoy it? Hey, it's Michael, welcome back on my channel, I'm really glad you're here. If you want the best advice on how to live a better life and how to overcome your challenges, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when I post a new video every Thursday, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Okay, let's dive in. We've all tried to install new habits and we found that it's very hard. I started and quit exercising at least 5 times before it sticked. I used to struggle waking up, using 3 different alarms and waking up 30 minutes after the first one. Now I'm waking up at 7 a.m. with one single alarm and I'm exercising every single day. So let me share my experience with you of how I changed my habits and how to even like it. Okay, the first point is really about understanding how habit works. And I've learned this from several sources, but mainly from the book called The Power of Habits. So the only thing that you need to understand is that a habit consists of 3 things: a trigger, the behavior, so the habit, and the outcome. The trigger is pretty self-explanatory. It's the reason why you start to do a certain behavior. It can be a time of the day, it can be a special event, it can be a feeling, a special situation, a place. Then comes the behavior, the habit. It's the routine that you do and that usually you want to change. For example, a visual trigger can be I see the fridge, and the habit would be how I would go for a piece of cake. And the outcome is the pleasure that we gain from a habit. Like when we overeat, it's feeling good afterward, or when you smoke, it's feeling less stressed. So by understanding it, it's already a big step, because you can see what's happening and you can choose to replace the habit by keeping the trigger, keeping the outcome, by choosing another behavior. Another thing to know about habits is that it's repetition that builds them. When you start to form a new habit, you have to know that you will experience resistance. It's normal. And actually, it's scientifically proved that you need at least 21 days of repetition every day to form a new habit. It can be physical or mental. So just by knowing this, just by knowing it will be hard at first, you can go and push through it. And the final thing to know and to understand about habits is that our brain loves what is familiar. Have you ever wondered why lottery winners spend all their money in like 1 week? Because they were used to, let's say, get the money on Thursday and spend it all by Wednesday. So when they get a lot of money, it's no different. They do what is familiar to them and then they spend it all. So this is for the understanding. The second point I found was crucial when you want a habit to stick, to last, is understanding why you're doing it. Because if you want to change, you know it's going to require a certain amount of willpower, so it has to have meaning for you, it has to matter to you. Not for anyone else, not to impress someone or not to fit in or to be appreciated among the society. No, you have to choose yourself something that matters to you, and you have to know why it matters. Because I found that at some point things start to become hard or challenging. Not hard yet, challenging. And if you don't know why you're doing something, you will quit. So the second point is being really clear on why you want to do it, why you want to change, why it's important to you, what will it bring to you, how it will improve your life, what is it causing you if you don't do it. You know, remember the link pleasure and pain to your mind? The third step is, once you're clear on why you want it, is to instruct your mind. You can watch the video on how to use your mind here, but it will tell you how to use your mind as an ally, as your own best friend. Because now that you understand why it's important, you can tell your mind, okay, this is important to me. I don't need you to protect it from me. I need you to help me. Because let's say you want to start to exercise. The minute you start, your mind will go, oh, this is uncomfortable. Just stop. because your mind wants to protect you. But if you say, yes, it is uncomfortable, but I need it to feel better, your mind will go, okay, yeah, whatever. And the final point, I've already mentioned it briefly, it's linking pleasure and pain. So let me give you an example. I used to wake up by using 3 different alarms. I love to sleep, I love being in my bed, it's like the best thing in the world. So it was really difficult for me to get out of bed. But the time where I hit the snooze button or when I stayed in bed, I felt like a failure all day long. So by reprogramming your brain, by thinking, okay, it might be a little hard to wake up and to get up right now, but if I don't do it, I will feel like a failure every day. So do you want it? Of course the answer is no. And then by linking pleasure to getting up right away, by I feel good, I'm proud of myself, I have the whole day ahead of me. So you see, you change the narrative, you change your actions. Because before that, the narrative was, oh, I don't want to wake up, I have all this annoying stuff to do, I'm so good in bed. So of course, your mind will not help you. It will help you stay comfortable. It will make you stay in bed. So that's it. You have all the keys to build self-discipline. So let me recap them for you. 1, understand that if you want to change a behavior, if you find the trigger, it will be more easy to change it. 2, be clear about why you're doing it. If you want to build self-discipline, know why you're doing it. 3, the easiest way is to discussing with your mind, telling it what you want, making it helping you instead of fighting against it. And the final point is changing the meaning you attach to things. So use pain and pleasure. So that's it. Now you know how to build self-discipline, you know how to build habits that will last, and you will even enjoy it, because acting and doing new things will empower you, will lead you to a better life. And by the way, I'd like to know what is an area of your life where you tried to build self-discipline or a habit and it did not last. Tell me in the comment below. I really hope you got some value from the video. If you liked the video, please let me know by liking, subscribing and commenting below. I really appreciate it. So anyway, thank you for watching the video today, guys. I really hope you liked it and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.